Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one interesting recipe. So this is basically a experimental cooking, guys, and this recipe I tried at my home and I liked it a lot. So I thought I can share this recipe with you. So today I'm going to share the recipe of Maggie Masala pasta. So basically we are going to add that Maggie powder into this tadka. So let's start, guys. So for this recipe what we need, here I chopped some capsicum, onion, the red capsicum and some tomatoes, and here is a pan and I'm going to add some oil. So I'm adding some oil, guys, so you can use any oil. I'm adding the canola oil, but we should not supposed to cook that olive oil in the pan. So I added one tablespoon of oil into this pan and I'm going to add all these things. So before that I'm going to add some cumin seeds. It gives the nice flavor. So basically I'm making that Indian pasta. So I'm adding some cumin seeds. It gives the nice flavor and I'm going to add these things. First thing, I'm adding the onion. So we have to fry this onion until it becomes light brown in color. And here I kept the water in the pan for the pasta. So I'm going to fry this one until it becomes light brown in color. So before adding the onion, you can add the ginger garlic paste. It gives a nice flavor in this Maggie masala pasta. So the short form is MMP, Maggie masala pasta. So yeah, so my onion is nicely cooked and I'm going to add this green capsicum. And I'm going to mix this one. And here I added the pasta, guys. So it will take some time to cook, and in the meanwhile I'm frying these things. And it's time to add the red capsicum, the red bell pepper, and it's time to add these chopped tomatoes. And if you have a tomato puree or the pasta sauce, you can add that one also. And I'm going to mix all these things together. And I'm going to add some chili flakes. So I'm going to add some chili flakes. And salt, that is up to your taste, how much salt you want. And I added the salt also. And I'm going to mix all these things. And I'm going to cover this one with the lid. And we have to cook this one for up to 5 to 7 minutes. Hey guys, my masala is ready and I'm going to add this Maggi powder into this. And we have to mix this one. So this is the masala Maggi masala packet, guys. So it is always available in the Maggi. So yeah, it's easy. And here my pasta is done and I'm going to put it in the strainer. So what I did, I took some pasta in the plate and I'm going to take this one. Take this masala and put it in the top of the pasta, or you can add the pasta into this also. And I'm going to add little bit of olive oil, and I'm going to add little bit of olive oil in the top of the or you can add butter also, that is up to your choice, but I'm adding this olive oil, guys, and I'm going to try this one. It's very tasty, guys. You have to try this recipe at your home by adding the masala powder of Maggi. Very yummy. And it's not that much spicy also. So yeah. So this is the quick video of how to make Maggi masala pasta at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. And please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye. Bye.